Carry on my wayward son. The beeps when you are done. Lay your weary head to rest. Don't you cry no more. Oh, record हो रहा है. Hi, welcome to our channel. Very big red day. I think a lot of people have squared off a lot of position, booked losses, and a lot of cry over what all things have happened today. Uh, Looking at Nifty, Bank Nifty, I think some of these things, in fact, all of these things we had seen yesterday, and nothing new has happened. But we'll just quickly recap. Right, looking at Nifty, we felt that from this September last week, we are in a double X, WXY kind of double correction, and here this particular move, we said that it has a dual nature as of now. It is either making a double X to lead to a triple correction, or it could lead to an impulse. And this particular trend line is important. Again, when we scroll down, nothing has changed. All my markings are exactly the same, and price has come and touched 81.2% as we had expected. Now tomorrow we'll see whether this is actually going to retrace it further, or it is going to start an impulse move again. Here we have a bullish candlestick pattern at a fib level, so it is important. So tomorrow we may see a pullback, and we may see a small rally starting here to wave 3. Now suppose that happens, I'm not completely, what do you say, we are not completely giving up on this idea of having considered this as a triple correction. There could be a chance, but in case the price starts moving in an impulsive way, or it continues, we may see wave 3 starting and leading to at least 23,600, or maybe one of the fib ratios here. Not really sure if it is going to take the average target for wave 3 in this particular way. We may. And if you see again, there is one more interesting thing that I see here. Roughly, wave 1 and wave 2 are equal. Now, tomorrow, if the gap up, if we see a gap up in Nifty, we may see an extension in wave 3, and we can very much go ahead and see this level 24,600. But gap up is important. These are small, equal, and kind of microscopic waves. So if it starts into a gap up, this will be a breakaway gap, and it will probably lead to a higher impulse or a stronger impulse wave. Having said that, this is an optimistic scenario. The more realistic or a pessimistic thing that continues from the yesterday's discussion is that it may go and make a lower low here near this trend line. So let's see what happens with Nifty. Both the possibilities, like they were open yesterday, they are open today as well, having lost certain money in this bloodbath today. Moving to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty again, everything is still the same. We saw a big red candle, and we had predicted that at least 50% will be reached. X is going to reach that much. So we said minimum target will be 38%. It may reach up to 61% as well. So that expected move has happened today. Early morning, we could see those early signs in the morning itself. We had a decent gap down today, say 200 odd points, and then it continued further down. Now, tomorrow again, maybe it can retrace a little and can reverse the journey from one of the fib levels. 50% is a very uh, strong level as of today. It may continue slightly further, but we'll see. Probably it can retrace. Probably it can start the reverse journey from here itself. So tomorrow opening, and probably if it opens with a gap, it will have a good significance into an impulse ride for Nifty. Bank Nifty, if it starts an upward move, it will at least make a higher high with respect to this W that we have marked. So 50,600 will be definitely broken, and we may see a higher high in this case. So depending upon where the price moves, then we can target for the level of 5. Now suppose if it retraces from where the price is today, or this particular row that has already been formed. So in that case, we may see a Y somewhere around 50,600 minimum. That will be like a minimum target for Bank Nifty. If it reverses from here, there is a chance that it can still continue further. So we'll have to see this in the morning. But if it does from the levels that where Bank Nifty currently is, it may definitely reach to 50,800 or so. So let's see what happens tomorrow, and we'll come back again tomorrow night for the update, if any, in the counts. Thank you so much. If you like our content, and if you want to learn the analysis this way, or maybe different rules and impulses, impulse and correction, and many lot of things, we are starting our new batch from February 23rd, and a lot of things will be there. So this is something we will have like a 3 month or a 4 month, 4 month long uh, working sessions. So which will happen mostly on Sundays. But we are going to go very slow, very slowly adding complexity and stuff like that. So hard working 3 4 months, I would say, but at the end of it, you will see the fruits of it, and definitely will try to make you the masters of Elliott Waves. Again, a lot will happen when you practice, but will definitely lay the foundation for the same. So if you are interested, definitely do reach out to us. We are providing a number in the comment or the description. Thank you so much. Okay. What is it?